I have set up a physics simulation. There is a ramp with the goal to get the red ball into the red box. To start with, I can draw simple objects like some blue sticks. When I press the start button, gravity turns on and then the ball falls and starts to roll down the ramp. To make it more interesting, I added pin joints to connect the sticks, so more complex shapes can be created. For now, I can move stuff around at any time. In the future, the idea is the apparatus should be able to run by itself. The pin joints can also be used to connect the sticks to the red circle. It is more challenging to restrict creating objects to a smaller area, like the top half of the screen. Another challenge is to use as few sticks as possible. The idea is to come up with more creative solutions. Probably there are near infinite solutions to this puzzle. For example, one can use the coat hanger on a chain trick. The red circle is not powered, so I added blue circles which spin. I can make a simple bicycle to ferry the ball to the goal. With a bit of trial and error, the bicycle front flip is an elegant solution. But an even simpler solution is to make the simplest possible bicycle which can solve the puzzle. Sometimes elegance is overrated, and a brute force solution looks really encouraging. Even though it is encouraging, the results are strongly dependent upon the initial conditions. I have been challenging myself to come up with new solutions. This one is kind of interesting, but it does show a weakness that I have in the simulation, where a pin can only connect two members but not any more. So I have to make some of the shapes out of these extra triangles. For a while, I was really obsessed with this piston-type design. I could not get it to work. The problem I had was I had to recreate it each time from scratch. So after this, I made the feature to reset the apparatus to its original state. This way I could fine-tune the initial conditions to get it right. I have not had time to go back and try this piston approach again. I have the basic simulation working. I have a long list of things to do. I could make different shapes, or add springs and gears. I could also add other types of constraints beyond just the pin joint. And of course I will have to try more difficult challenges. I think there is a lack of this type of open construction in video games. What would you like to be building?